Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the reticle type in my variables. So as you can see, mine is a circle with a dot. You can simply change this type to something that you prefer, or you can change it to something else, be it like a crosshair or just a dot. So to do this, go to settings. So since I'm on a game, I'll just pause my game and then go to settings. And then within the settings, go to the controller section. And then from here, select combat. Now from here, find the hard section, and then you should see the option reticle type. So you can see by default, this is the default one, which is a circle and a red and a dot. So all you have to do is select the drop down arrow that appears, and then there's a couple of options. So there's the circle, there's a crosshair, there's the dot, and circle and crosshair. So you can select circle, and then now you should see a preview of what it's all about on the right side. So you can either choose crosshair and you'll see how it looks like. You can also change to dot and you'll see how dot looks like. Or you can also change circle and crosshair and you should see how the preview looks like. So let me just stick to the crosshair only. And then once done, ensure that you save it. So all you have to do is just select save and the changes will be applied. But since it's my first time to do this, you have to select save as new. So select save as new and then type in the name for that particular save. So let me just put a random name. And once done, confirm, and that particular crosshair or that particular change will be applied. So whenever you go into a match, you can notice that my circle has changed into a crosshair. Then that's basically it on how to change the reticle type in my variables. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.